Welcome to another edition of IN60. I'm Peter White, and our guest today is David Moberley from Paradice Investment Management. David is the lead portfolio manager for the Australian Equities Long Short Fund. David, welcome.
Thanks, Peter.
I'm going to give you a series of short, sharp questions. We're looking for concise answers, and you can pass on any, and your time starts now.
Let's go.
Last market metric you look at before going to bed?
Futures market.
What's the most important ratio to you when assessing a company for investment?
Lots of important ratios, but I think for us, the return on invested capital metric encapsulates a lot of the important things that we're looking at when we're assessing a company.
Pineapple on pizza?
Absolutely, and also on hamburgers.
What's the one red flag you look for or most when reviewing a company?
Again, lots of red flags, but I think one that seems to be working a lot at the moment is seeing significant amounts of insider selling.
What's the best investment you've made personally ever?
My education.
And what's your biggest investment regret?
Biggest regret would be over the last few years there's been a significant reduction in bond yields that's pushed asset prices up in long duration quality growth names, and selling down a lot of those assets over the last few years with a perceived concern about them being expensive. In hindsight, it's been regretful.
Most interesting sector on the ASX today, industrials, banks or IT?
I think they're all interesting, and within each sector there's alpha opportunities in each of them.
What about most challenged sector, property, energy or travel?
Definitely travel in terms of most challenged at the moment, but again, within travel, there's some companies that are pricing a full recovery and others that are pricing not much at all. So I think there's opportunities in travel, but it's definitely the most challenged at the moment.
Financial Armageddon, do you hold gold, bonds, Bitcoin or US dollars?
Yeah, financial Armageddon always equals beta 1, so everything gets sold. And the only thing that works is cash, so I'll say US dollars.
What is the one stock you wish you would have bought but didn't?
So get in the time machine, go back and buy the best performing asset class, which was Bitcoin.
David, thanks for talking to us today.
Thanks, Peter.